Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing Zoom and granting permissions so audio and video work immediately. Sign in or create an account because meetings require identification. Once done, verify your email to unlock full features. Make sure background app refresh is on and that your iPhone runs a recent iOS version for stability. Now open Zoom, tap Join for a quick meeting or new meeting to host. This gets you into the app and ready for the next set of steps. Once the app is open, decide whether to join or host. Tap Join and enter the meeting ID or paste the invite link to autofill fields. Choose Join with video if you want camera on immediately and select Call via device audio so your iPhone handles sound. If you're hosting, tap New Meeting, then enable Waiting Room or set a passcode to control entrance. During the meeting, swipe to reveal controls for participants, chat, and sharing. These are essential for managing the sessions. During the call, tap the screen to reveal controls like mute, stop video, share content, and reactions. Use them confidently to manage presence. Switch between front and back camera, pin a speaker, or choose speaker view for audio focus, and if you're the host, record to the cloud for later review. When the meeting ends, tap Leave. If something goes wrong, first force close the app, confirm microphone and camera permissions in settings, and restart your iPhone. This fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.